Hello and welcome to Visa Live. If you are an MBBS graduate struggling to secure an internship, dealing with delays in your home country, or worried about expensive placements, then this video is for you. I'm Juhi Singh, and today I'll walk you through how you can get a paid internship in the UK, work in the NHS, and even pursue postgraduate studies while earning a salary. And here's the best part. This path can eventually lead to permanent residency in the UK. So stick around as I break down the entire process step by step. And you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we bring you real, direct job opportunities with visa sponsorship, no middlemen, no hidden fees involved. Now, why choose the UK for your medical internship? Many MBBS graduates struggle to secure structured internships in their home countries. Government hospitals have limited seats, private internships can be crazy expensive, and long waiting periods make things even more frustrating. In the UK, things work differently. NHS internships offer structured training, hands-on experience, and a salary so you are earning while learning. Plus, the career progression is clear. Once you complete your internship, you can step into a full-time NHS role with visa sponsorship for up to 5 years, leading to permanent residency. This isn't just about getting temporary work. It's about building a stable, long-term career in one of the world's top healthcare systems. So who can apply for a medical internship in the UK? This opportunity is open to MBBS graduates worldwide, including those from India, Nigeria, Ghana, Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and beyond. To apply, you need an MBBS degree from a recognized university, a UK MLA pass, this is replacing the PLAB exam, English proficiency IELTS or OET, a UK or international driving license. This makes mobility within the NHS easier. If you meet these criteria, you're already one step closer to working in the UK. So how Visa Live helps you secure paid internship? Here's how it works. Simple, send us your CV and documents. Our team reviews your profile and finds the best NHS placement for you. Visa processing, we handle the entire application, including your Tier 2 work visa and certificate of sponsorship. Job confirmation and relocation, once everything is approved, you relocate to the UK and start earning from day one. Postgraduate opportunities, during your internship, you can also enroll in postgraduate studies, which helps when applying for long-term NHS roles. Long-term sponsorship, after your internship, you are eligible for a 3 to 5 years NHS visa sponsorship, giving you a stable job and the option to bring your spouse under the 6131 job category. Path to PR. Completing your contract allows you to apply for permanent residency in the UK. It's a win-win situation. You gain experience, earn a salary, and secure your future. So what happens after your internship? The journey doesn't stop at the internship. With Visa Live, you can move into a full-time NHS role with visa sponsorship, continue your postgraduate studies while working, bring your spouse to the UK, work towards permanent residency. Within a few years, you can go from being an MBBS graduate struggling to find an internship to a permanent resident in the UK, working in one of the most respected healthcare systems. Addressing common concerns, we have got you covered. We get a lot of questions and concerns from candidates, so let's clear them up. What if I don't find a job? The NHS internship comes with a guaranteed placement. You are not applying blindly, we connect you directly with hospitals. What if my visa is about to expire? We help you extend your visa and transition you into long-term sponsorship. So there's no uncertainty. Is this legit? I have heard of scams. Unfortunately, there are scams out there, but Visa Live works directly with NHS hospitals. No middlemen, no fake promises. Can I bring my spouse? Yes. Under the 6131 job category, you can apply for a dependent visa for your spouse. We have also seen a lot of success stories from candidates who are now working in the UK. At the same time, we have noticed some people saying they haven't landed a job yet. Here's what we want to say. Keep applying, stay open to different opportunities, and don't lose heart. The job market is competitive, but persistence pays off. Stay updated on the latest jobs. If you are serious about working abroad, don't miss out on future job openings. Like and follow our page to stay updated on the latest jobs with visa sponsorship. Get instant notifications when new roles are available. Subscribe to our channel so you do not miss a single update. Now, how to apply and next steps. Now that you know how this works, here's how to apply. Email us your CV and documents at the address on the screen. Our team will review your application and contact you for the next steps. Visit our website for more details or schedule a free consultation. We recommend applying ASAP because NHS internships are in high demand and spots fill up quickly. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Visa Live. We are here to help you land real visa-sponsored jobs that can change your future. I'll see you in the next video.